Linking your Merrill Edge account to a Bank of America account involves these steps. Login. Sign into your Merrill Edge account via their website or mobile app. Access transfer options. Go to the Accounts tab, select Transfers or Transfer Funds from the menu. Add the bank account. Choose Add Bank Account or a similar option. You may find this under a section like External Accounts or Link Accounts. Enter Bank of America details. Input your Bank of America account details. This typically includes bank routing number, account type. Verify account. Merrill Edge may require verification of the linked account. This might involve a small trial deposit verification process, where Merrill Edge deposits a small amount into your Bank of America account, which you need to confirm. Complete linking. Once verification is complete, your Bank of America account will be linked to Merrill Edge. You can now transfer funds between the two accounts. Transfer funds. Use the Transfer Funds option to move money between your Merrill Edge and Bank of America accounts as needed.